Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we look at the elements that make up computation consumer arithmetic. As you know, in paper 1, questions come on consumer arithmetic. Now, the elements that are covered by the modules we have created are based upon the CSEC syllabus and the recommended textbooks, as you note from the note displayed there. Now, I've created this mind map. You can create your own mind map using your textbook, identifying the headings and subheadings of the topic. For example, in consumer arithmetic, your textbook may have different subheadings, but basically it covers the same set of topics. Approximation. Now, the thing to note about a mind map, it is designed to work the way your brain works. Your brain naturally recognizes instantly color, shape, size, movement, location, and size. For example, if you were to study this mind map for just a minute or two, excuse me, you'd be able to identify where is the green car. It's on the top left, and there's a word approximation next to it. Where is the orange bus on the right, and there's a word ratio next to it. Where is the football? It's there. Where is the cart, shopping cart? There, standard form, and so on. Where is the basketball? There. So your mind, your brain, instantly recognizes color, shape, location, movement, and so on. So when you create your own mind map, you are using your brain to its fullest capacity. And as I mentioned in an earlier video, when you are creating your mind map, you say the words, the keywords or phrases you use aloud as you write them down or type them in. So you would say approximation. Now when I expand this group here, it shows its sub-elements: rounding, significant figures, decimal places, estimating. So you know all of these terms are associated with this first heading: the green car, squares, percentages, profit and loss, discount and sales tax, hire purchase, and so on. Now, when you are creating your mind map, do not make it as complicated as this. You can start with simple 3 or 5 entries on each location. So, for example, if you just enter 3 or 5 entries on each one of these topics, you'll get at least 15 to 25 entries, and you'll be able to recall that information quickly and easily. Remember, it's easier to find something when you know where it is located. So you know you don't have to use my images. You can use any image you want to associate with the topics or key phrases below. Okay, so bear that in mind. Reciprocals, three-figure tables, calculator, decimals, for operations, add and subtract, and so on. Now the modules we have created include video lessons explaining each one of these key topics: significant figures, decimal places, estimating, etc. And they are interactive multiple choice quizzes that come with the module. When you do the interactive quizzes, you get instant score and feedback. So you can know at the end of the exercise, you can know objectively how well you're doing. And then when you review the quizzes, you'll see what mistakes you made, and you'll get feedback as to what to do to improve your performance the next time you do the quiz. Now the questions in the quiz are shuffled. That means that every time you do the quiz, it's like doing a brand new quiz because the answers are rearranged. So if you guess the first time and you got it right, if you guess again based upon the position of the answer, you'll get it wrong. Okay? So you can use these powerful tools to improve your performance. Bear in mind these topics are taken from the recommended textbooks. Enjoy.